Join me as I dive deep into the future of Soun stock and try to predict what's next for this company. Soun stock has been making waves in the market, and it's essential to understand its current standing to gauge its potential for future growth. The company's relevance in the current market landscape is undeniable, with many investors keeping a close eye on its performance. Soun stock faces several challenges, including intense competition from rival companies and fluctuating market trends. The stock's volatility has left many investors uncertain about its future, and some are even questioning its long-term viability. Market trends are constantly shifting, and Soun stock must adapt to these changes to stay ahead of the curve. One of the primary concerns is the company's ability to innovate and keep up with the latest technological advancements. Soun stock's recent financial reports have shown some promising signs, but there are still concerns about its overall financial health. The company's debt-to-equity ratio is a bit higher than its competitors, which could be a significant issue if not addressed promptly. Despite these challenges, Soun stock has a strong brand presence and a loyal customer base, which could be a significant factor in its future success. The factors affecting Soun stock's performance are multifaceted, including recent performance data, company news, and market conditions. Looking at the company's recent quarterly reports, we can see that there has been a significant increase in revenue, which is a positive sign. However, the company's profit margins have been decreasing, which could be a cause for concern. The current market conditions are also playing a significant role in Soun stock's performance, with the overall market trend being bearish. Soun stock's recent performance data reveals a mixed bag of results, with some areas showing significant growth while others are struggling. The company's efforts to expand into new markets have been successful, but its struggles in maintaining a strong online presence have hindered its growth. The market conditions are highly competitive, and Soun stock must focus on its core strengths to stay ahead of the competition. The company's news and announcements have also been a significant factor in its stock performance, with some announcements having a positive impact while others have been negative. The company's decision to invest in new technologies has been well received by investors, but its recent struggles with supply chain issues have raised concerns. Soun stock's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in determining its future success. The most significant insight regarding Soun stock's future is that the company is at a turning point, and its next moves will be crucial in determining its success. According to expert opinions, Soun stock has the potential to make a significant comeback if it can address its current challenges and focus on its core strengths. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends will be essential in its future growth. Expert forecasts suggest that Soun stock has a significant upside potential, but it's essential to approach this with caution. The company's recent struggles have left many investors uncertain about its future, and it's crucial to consider multiple perspectives before making any investment decisions. Soun stock's future is highly dependent on its ability to execute its growth strategy and address its current challenges. Soun stock's future is also highly dependent on the overall market conditions and the company's ability to navigate these conditions. The current market trend is highly volatile, and Soun stock must be able to adapt to these changes to stay ahead of the curve. The company's strong brand presence and loyal customer base will be essential in its future success, but it's crucial to address the current challenges and focus on its core strengths. The key takeaway from the analysis is that Soun stock's future is highly uncertain, and its success will depend on its ability to address its current challenges and focus on its core strengths. The company has a significant upside potential, but it's essential to approach this with caution and consider multiple perspectives before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, Soun stock's outlook is complex, and its future success will depend on its ability to navigate the current challenges and focus on its core strengths. Let me know what you think about Soun stock's future in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other video on the top stocks to watch this year.